Come on, come on.
Yeah. Next. Only has 40,000 miles on him and it ain't worn in yet. Any other Puerto Ricans here? Oh, that's just wrong.
Nunez needs a Corona before he could even attempt it.
Yeah, I won't do that. I can't think right.
Yeah, this one's not long enough, I don't think.
Oh, it is.
Why do you have to try and do that side? Why not this side?
I'm laughing at the outside because I tried mine.
So I can make it straight.
Try it.
Don't look at him. He just had it.
Yeah, it's the first day these things can roll down.
Oh! Yes!
Should have had him roll down already.
Well, I did have them roll down, and then someone wanted to roll them up so they could see the 15% tint.
Hey!
You just have somebody on the other side tell you where you're getting too close.
Yeah,
he's Kirk.
Oh.
Yeah,
Come on.
he's right there.
Everybody put the fingerprints on the car.
Might as well. He don't care. He wants to sit there anyway.
No, I'm saying that way they don't know who stole it.
Oh. They're still going to pick one of the Puerto Ricans.
Needs to be unhooked.
Oh, you need like a half an inch. Yeah, if you unhook that little.
Oh, come on, pull.
Grab the handle.
Oh!
There we go. Now it's bent right.
There we go.
You know
Come
that
on.
feeling.
I know the feeling.
Got it. Got it.
Right there.
Pull. Hold on. Get it a little bit. You're at the bottom of it.
Yeah, you're good. Just pull slow.
Oh.
You gotta pull slow.
Try and hook it at the top because there's a groove you keep sliding into at the bottom. Try pulling like up on it instead of
there.
Fail.
Take riding a bike.
Come on. Oh.
Do these cars not unlock if you pull the actual handle itself?
Yeah, they won't.
They don't?
No.
Okay. Because that would be maybe a little easier, but you have to do the handle and at the same time.
Oh, come on. Oh.
Sliding over the top of it. Here comes AAA.
Really?
Yeah, right here. I don't know if that's for us or not. Well, thanks for allowing it, but you proved it.
Oh, well, there you go.
Keep sliding up to the top there if you just... Yeah, we try to get underneath it.
Right there, too.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, same way, underneath it. Video cameras.
Still want to beat him.
Come on, pull. Oh. We're up top again.
Kirk, you got about 20 seconds.
Yeah, you better save your name, man.
You better hurry up.
Come on.
One more try, hurry up. Alright, man, right there.
Oh!
Go one more.
One more time. He hasn't got out of the car yet.
Oh, went up top again.
See, when you hook it from the bottom and then you have the hook going straight up, then you have it hooked nicely.
Yeah.
Up top again.
Alright, give up.
You're close, but just ain't got it. That's a pull.
Puerto Rican? 2 minutes.
Got Kirk on video trying to unlock it. Wow. He almost got it, but the thing, it went back.
85, please. Yeah.
Now you're gonna go to the driver's side, huh?
Yep.
Let's have a contest right now, time to see if we can still get it from this side. Well, I know the real estate guy get it this side. Yeah, I know. That's what he said. Boom!
If you want to go into the passenger side, it's this one.
Yeah, it's on this side.
Pretty much. Just a little.
Oh!
Yeah! Woo!
10 seconds and he
One hit wonder.
Don't.
This proves something. Kirk's not Puerto Rican.
Head on lock.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Now hang on
Head
to
on
him.
lock so we can pull the coat hanger out.
Lock it again, see if you can do it.
Here's it. Lock it again. Try to do it.
Oh,